Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. You've probably seen the show Wednesday, and in the show, her look pairs a smoky eye with a deep lip for just the perfect amount of goth. And today I'm going to recreate her look. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my Wednesday look with e.l.f.'s Putty Primer. This will smooth and blur imperfections. Next, I used Lancome's Tinted Old Foundation to even up my skin tone. I chose a shade 2 shades lighter than my natural skin tone to give a paler look. To keep everything matte, I pressed on Lancome's Dual Finish and paid particular attention to my T-zone and any areas of shine. For eyes, I started with concealer to keep my eye area even and smooth, and then pressed powder to mattify. For a smoky effect, I brushed on NARS Crayon Shadow on my lids and under my eyes, and then smoked it out with a brush. Next, I curled my lashes and then added Lancome's Sills Booster to prime my lashes, and then I used L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara on top. I don't have the best lashes, so I put on false lashes for a wide awake effect. Wednesday's brows are darker than mine, so I used a color 2 shades darker and gave contrast and balance to the look. I skipped blush and went right into lips. I applied Lancome's Berry Noir lipstick to my lips and then with a tissue, blotted them for a bitten look. And here's the final look. A little sarcastic, a hint of death, and a touch of goth. Wednesday's look is a classic for Halloween, and it's easy to create. She's smart, sarcastic, and a little dead inside. So make sure you're alive and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember, life is better in color.